Hi everybody, my name is Tunde Olatunji. I'm MD of Periwinkle Condos, a subsidiary of Periwinkle Empire. So today we're going to be showing you our project that we've got in Eko Atlantic, very close to the US consulate. It's called Pan Atlantis Tower. So you can see sitting on 2,240 square meter. So on this site, beside it, we also have the $10 plot as well, which is using to stock value. So on this side, this is US consulate you're looking at the moment. Is actually projected to be delivered by 2027. So our Pan Atlantis also is a 4 years project. So you can see it right now. So we are about to do the trial powers at the site, and it's also very close to the main VI. And so this district you are looking at right now is called the Northern Boulevard District. So that is the Pan Atlantis site. So we're building on 14 floors. So building strictly 3-bedroom condos with 2 BQs each. So you've got your driver and your maid's room as well in each. So each unit actually sits on almost 395 square meter. And then so the ground floor, the basement, this is what you're currently looking at. That's going to be basement. And then so the first floor is also for parking, and you have the concierge. The first floor is also parking. Second floor, you can have the recreation area for your family, and so you have a lifestyle area, the gym, the spa, the restaurant, the salon, the entertainment center. It's a world-class recreation area. So this is the view. This is Northern Boulevard. You can see Clarence Gate 2 on your left. The project is also set to be delivered by 2026. So they are the last floor already. So this is phase 3, and after phase 3, ahead of you, you're actually looking at phase 4 and phase 5. So this is amazing. So this is Eko Atlantic City. So this view you're looking at right now, that is the Atlantic view. Amazing view. Oh my God, this is beautiful. The future city of Lagos is awesome. So enjoy this amazing view, just mind blowing. I love the view. It's awesome. So also we have our next project as well. That is called Maison Beverly. It's actually in the low density area. This is where billionaires are actually building private homes. We've got the likes of Davido next door to Maison Beverly as well. Also some top Nigerians, billionaires. Can you see some private houses? Those 2 villas you're looking at, they are already delivered and people are living in as well. So this is our Maison Beverly. It's going to be on 7th floor. So we've got 2-bedroom condos and 3-bedroom maisonette in this project. And then it's just exclusive for, just like Pan Atlantis, just exclusive for private owners, just 10 private elite owners. So this is an ideal place for people that don't really want to live in a cluster where you've got a lot of people living in the building. So compared to some of other properties or projects in Eko Atlantic City where they've got loads of people from 50, 100 units. So this is an exclusive project. So if you want to live in the city, you just want a bit of your privacy, not a lot of people living in your building with you. So this project is ideal for you. So you've got 2 bedrooms and 3-bedroom maisonette. So at the moment already we started the trial house. So that's what you are seeing, looking at right now. So yeah, so we're doing trial house testing at the moment at the site. So you've got to do trial test. So to test the integrity of the piles that you are going to do. All right. So look at the amazing view. This view is just, it's mind blowing. This is the billionaire's view. Like this is our city. This is your city. This is my city. It's mind blowing. I love the view. So even when you, because this side is a low density area, everybody's gonna have the view. Can you see the canal? So there is a canal, there is a US consulate. Everybody is gonna, when you have your yacht, your boat, you're gonna have access to that as well. Can you see? If you live in this low density area, you've got your boat and your yacht. Then you can actually build over there, and then you come to your home. Can you see that the proximity to US consulate, just behind the US consulate? So it's really lovely place to live. You've got easy access. Can you see that? This view is beautiful. So this is the Atlantic Ocean. All right. So and then you can see the Great Wall of Lagos. There is a Great Wall of Lagos protecting the city as well. So and that Great Wall can withstand any surge in 1,000 years, 100,000. I mean, 1,000 years to come. Okay, so no flood, nothing is well protected. So what you're looking at is actually the phase 4. So ongoing, still under reclamation. This is phase 4. It's just next to phase 3 as well. Beyond as well, the landmark, okay, Twin Tower, Water Twin Tower. So that's phase 5 ahead that you're also looking at. So the future city of Lagos, we should be proud to be part of this. It's amazing. Look at that view. It's amazing. It's beautiful, and we just proud. Can you see where the canal currently stop? And it's going to extend to the next stage as well, so you can always connect to the other side as well. This is beautiful. So just enjoy this amazing view. Hi, welcome to Periwinkle Empire. So don't forget to give us a call today. For if you're interested in Pan Atlantis or Maison Beverly, just give us a call today. We would love to take a tour with you, sit down with you, and give you some good incentives. So when you are buying now, you also have a flexible payment plan over 4 years. Okay, so and then you got 10% down payment. And so you should know right now the prices in Eko Atlantic City is actually from $3,500 per square meter. So when you are buying 1,000 or 100 square meter size of an apartment, so you're talking about $350,000. So that's what you're going to be paying for 100 square meter. So if it's 200 square meter, you times that times 2. You're talking about $700,000. And then you've got flexible payment plan over 4 years to spread out with just 10% down payment. So let's talk today. Cheers. Bye.